I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone X, removing any case and lens protector so nothing mechanically interferes. Next, inspect the back camera under good light. If you see grit or a hair, gently blow or use a dry microfiber wipe to clear it. A soft brush helps around the gap. Once done, power on and open camera in both photo and video modes to reproduce the shaking so you know whether it's mechanical, software, or debris-related. If debris isn't the issue, force close the camera app and reboot the phone to rule out a temporary software glitch. Make sure iOS is updated, then reset camera settings or choose Reset All Settings if needed. These steps clear configuration conflicts that cause stabilization errors. Meanwhile, carefully examine the lens housing. With moderate pressure around the camera, feel for looseness or a clicking micro-movement. This indicates when you've isolated a mechanical OIS or lens mount fault, characterized by internal vibrating or persistent shaking despite resets. You should arrange repair through Apple or an authorized technician because opening the device risks damage and voids warranty. As a temporary workaround, stabilize the phone with a tripod or use an external lens module. Turn off live photo and video stabilization if they worsen artifacts. If problems persist after repair, document symptoms and request a diagnostic. Make sure to mention when the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.